Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the EDM application engineers here at Makino. I'm going to talk about the generator on the EDAF2 machine. The EDF2 machine comes with a ES200 fully digital generator, provides 100 amps peak power to the cut. The new generator allows for reduced wear and reduced power consumption as it finishes the part faster and provides more current to the cut. And hypercut technology and the new generator, together they decrease your cycle time and increase your throughput on your machine. And those are the features on the new ES200A generator on the EDAF2 machine. Thank you.